In this video, I'll show you how to change the Bluetooth audio codec on your Android phone. Let's get started. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then scroll down again and tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down to the Bluetooth Audio section and find Bluetooth Audio Codec. Tap on Bluetooth Audio Codec. You'll see a list of available codecs, such as SBC, AAC, aptX, LDAC, or others, depending on your device and connected Bluetooth accessory. Select the codec you want to use. The available options may vary based on your phone and the Bluetooth device you're connected to. Changing the Bluetooth audio codec can help improve audio quality, reduce latency, and optimize the listening experience for your Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, or speakers. That's it. You have successfully changed the Bluetooth audio codec on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.